We thought about this kind of club because they don't have that kind of club in this zone, and we are looking for some sponsors, and after that for a place, a big one, a new one, and then we should make the interior. We should search for some designers, interior designers, and others can help us to improve our ideas and things like that. It should be not just a normal club, it could be with all kinds of interesting things like, I don't know, such as a game club near it and things like that.
Like poker club? Like poker club?
Yeah, things like that. Included poker. With pool and things like that.
And sauna?
Yeah,
And girl? Yeah, it's a good idea.
so that's it.
So basically,